Alright, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Supercharged Success System. Now, what I want you to pay very close attention to is what's on your screen right now is the back office and the entire layout of the system. Now, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the landing pages, I'm going to show you the sales pages, I'm going to show you everything about this system. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm actually going to give you this entire system. Now, this system promotes not one, not two, not three, but 4 different income streams, and it doesn't take any extra work to earn from all of these income streams. All you have to do is go through the system, set everything up, and then you can start earning. Alright, so the system is promoting Motor Club of America. Alright, so if you're in Canada or the US, this system is for you. If you're not, I'm sorry, it's only available in Canada and the USA. Now, the reason we're promoting MCA is because although a lot of people fail with Motor Club of America, the compensation plan is amazing and it is a long-term business. It is something that has been around for a long term. It's not going anywhere. It has that track record and it's not going to be shut down. So it's something that we can actually stably build and rely on for, weekly checks to be paid out. So that is income stream number 1. Income stream number 2 is going to be our ClickFunnels affiliate platform. So ClickFunnels is what I use to create this entire system, and it's what I use to share this entire system with everyone as well. Okay, so this is, as you guys see here, look into the back office. This is my ClickFunnels back office, and you're going to get access to this entire funnel. Now, if we want to navigate through this system, if at any point in time you want to check out the system for yourself, you can click the link below this video. But what the system is set up to do is it's set up for team duplication. So you're going to have your income stream number 1, your MCA. You're going to have income stream number 2, where I'm going to walk you through how to set up your entire system. And then I'm going to show you how to copy my emails that I've gone ahead and set up. So you can copy those emails, leveraging that into your Aweber account, and you're also going to earn income when people sign up to Aweber as well. And then obviously we need some traffic to this funnel, because without traffic we cannot make any money. So we're going to be doing solo ads, and when people purchase solo ads, you're going to be earning from that as well. So 4 different income streams, all combined into one clean, easy to follow system that literally anybody can use and anybody can duplicate. Alright, so what I want you guys to do is I want you to firsthand go through, look over the videos. I believe there's video 2 and 3 are about 20 minutes each. Video number 1 is 12 and video number 4 is 8. So in total, you could have this entire system set up in under an hour and ready to start earning $80 commissions while also building your residual income through ClickFunnels and Aweber, which are 2 essential tools for any internet marketer. Alright, so I want you to go through, click the button below this video, set up your Supercharged Success System, and then start sending traffic to your system and profiting big time. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys inside of the Facebook group.